In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OKX to TradingView and trade. Start by opening TradingView and loading a BTC/USD chart. A demo chart works perfectly. The goal is simply to be on a chart where you can see price action and place orders. Make sure you're signed into your TradingView account so your connection will save and the trading tools will be available. Next, look along the bottom of the screen for the Trading Panel tab. Click it to reveal the list of supported brokers. If you don't see it, expand the panel below the chart or switch from other tabs like Watch List or Strategy Tester back to Trading Panel. From the list, find and click OKX. This opens the connection dialog. You'll be asked whether you want to connect a live account or a demo account. If you're just getting started or testing your workflow, choose demo to practice without any real funds at risk. If you're ready for actual execution, choose live. Either way, confirm your selection to continue. You'll be redirected to the OKX login page. Sign in, complete any verification, and authorize the connection. Make sure you're using the same browser where TradingView is open so the authorization hands off correctly. If a pop-up appears, allow it. Some security extensions can interfere, so temporarily disable blockers if the authorization window doesn't load. After you approve the request, you'll be routed back to TradingView with the connection active. Once connected, you'll see your OKX account details in the trading panel, including balance and status. You can now place orders directly from the chart. Use the buy and sell buttons or open the order ticket. Choose your order type. Mark it for immediate fills at current prices. Limit to set your preferred price or stop for entries or exits that trigger at a specified level. Enter your quantity, double check the symbol you're trading, and confirm. You can manage orders visually by dragging lines on the chart or adjust them in the panel below. Open orders, fills, positions, and order history will appear there for quick review. If you're practicing, stay on the demo connection until your process feels smooth. For live trading, confirm you have sufficient funds and that trading is enabled on your OKX account. Consider setting default order size and enabling protective stops and targets as part of each ticket to reduce mistakes. If the connection ever drops, return to the trading panel, select OKX, and reconnect. That's all it takes to connect OKX to TradingView and trade directly from your charts.